Let me tell you what a $55,000 truck actually costs. Not the sticker price, not the monthly payment. The actual total lifetime financial cost of financing a new full-size pickup truck, including the opportunity cost of that money over your remaining working years. Because nobody at the dealership will tell you this number. And when you see it, you will never think about a car purchase the same way again. The number is approximately $650,000. I'm going to show you exactly how we get there. My name is John, and I spend way too much time thinking about the gap between what things appear to cost and what they actually cost. And nowhere is that gap wider than in vehicle financing. If you are currently making a car or truck payment, or considering one, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Today we're doing the full math on what vehicle financing truly costs over a career. Let's get into it. Section 1. The sticker price is the smallest number. A new full-size truck with a popular trim level, a Ford F-150 XLT, a Ram 1500, a Chevy Silverado, runs approximately $50,000 to $60,000 as of 2024. Let's use $55,000. Most buyers finance this over 72 months, 6 years, at an average interest rate of approximately 7%. Monthly payment, approximately $822. Total paid over the loan, approximately $59,184. That's $4,184 in interest alone. Add insurance. A new truck typically costs $2,000 to $2,500 per year to insure. Over 6 years, $13,500 average. Add fuel. A full-size truck averages approximately 18 miles per gallon. At 15,000 miles per year and $3.50 per gallon, $2,917 per year or $17,500 over 6 years. Add registration, maintenance, and oil changes, approximately $6,000 over 6 years. Total out-of-pocket over 6 years, approximately $96,184 for transportation. Section 2. The opportunity cost, where it gets real. Here's what most people don't realize. The true cost is not what you spend. It's what you could have built instead. The truck buyer spends approximately $822 per month on the truck payment alone. A reliable used vehicle, a 3-year-old Toyota Tundra with 35,000 miles, can be purchased for $28,000, insured for less, and driven for years after it's paid off. Total monthly cost of the used truck strategy, approximately $500 to $550 per month. The difference, approximately $300 per month. $300 per month invested in a basic S&P 500 index fund from age 28 to 65, 37 years, at historical average returns of 10% annually, approximately $1,060,000. From the truck decision, not from any other financial choice. Just the truck. If that number sounds extreme, let me be more conservative. Say the person cycles through new trucks every 6 years for 30 years. 5 truck cycles over career. The aggregate opportunity cost of the premium between new truck financing and reliable used truck ownership, invested at 10% over a 30-year period, is approximately $650,000 to $750,000. Section 3. When a truck is actually a good decision. I want to be fair here. A truck is a financially rational choice when it is a genuine work tool, when it generates income directly through its capability, when you're a contractor, a farmer, or someone whose livelihood requires towing capacity or hauling ability that no other vehicle can provide. In those cases, the truck is a capital expense with a direct economic return. But for the majority of full-size truck buyers in the United States, who use them primarily as commuter vehicles and weekend lifestyle statements, the truck is a consumption choice, not a capital investment, and it should be evaluated accordingly. Your vehicle is a wealth decision disguised as a lifestyle decision. It compounds in both directions. Toward financial freedom if you choose wisely, toward financial constraint if you don't. Run the full math before the next purchase. Compare the total cost. Calculate the opportunity cost. And make the decision with clear eyes about what you're actually choosing. If this math hit home, hit the like button and subscribe. Every week we do the calculations that change how you see your money. I'll see you in the next one.